Hello my friend, my name is Muslim Sigit. I am from Katase village. I have 9 siblings and I am the seventh of 9 children. My hobby is playing football. My goal is to become a successful entrepreneur. Well, here I will discuss research, namely the sweet martabak of Afam Pinang, 20 on Mr. Saiful business. Sweet martabak is a popular snack in Indonesia that has a rich historical background in West Kalimantan. As in other regions, this cake has become an integral part of culinary culture. Its history can be traced back to the influence of cultural diversity and trade in Indonesia. 2 years ago, a man was started a small sweet martabak business was enthusiastic about developing his business called Mr. Saiful. Even though only had limited capital, he started a sweet martabak business worth involving labor. He carried out his wish with determination and hard work. Mr. Saiful started his business journey from a small cart with a hope directly from his business friend, then flexed it in an alley in the market. Martabak Dog even took initially only a few loyal customers came. Mr. Saiful didn't give up. For 2 years, Mr. Saiful continued to develop his recipes and marketing strategies. He started using social media to promote his product, uploading photos of sweet martabak that tempered his tasty food. His intensity brought results, and his effort began to be known in the city of Sambas. Without having employers test Mr. Saiful optimism, his team and energy. In every transaction, he don't just sell sweet martabak, but also interest with every customer, creating a close relationship. Customers not only come to buy the close martabak, but also for the warm welcome from the owner. Because without this attitude, the business will definitely not progress, and customer will not like it. Because attitude is one of the keys to killing customer. After 2 years of struggle, Mr. Saiful small cart developed into a successful sweet martabak business. He succeeded in proving that with persistency, creativity, and focus on customer service, someone can start a business without having to depend on labor. Mr. Saiful, with years full of happiness, often said he arthritis with the people around him. I never feel alone in this January. Every customer, every smile, and every feeling of gratitude become the energy that drives me. I believe if we are truly persistent and committed, we can turn dreams into reality without having to wait for help from others. Chapter 2 Research Method to find our team and place of research. This research was conducted in Katasa village and Sambas city, West Kalimantan. The location was chosen deliberately namely and City of Sambas. Taking into account that the City of Sambas is a tourist destination for various culinary destinations. This field data research was carried out on the 22nd of December to the 23rd of December 2023 on contour problem statement on how do data collection the Knickers work. To how do data collection the Knickers work. 3. How to analyze data. 4. How to calculate direct how material costs. 5. How to calculate overhead costs. 6. How to calculate the cost of auxiliary raw material. 7. How to calculate the cost of good production. 1. Find the goal. 1. Know how to collect data techniques. 2. Know how to collect data techniques. 3. Know how to analyze the data. 4. Know how to calculate direct raw material cost. 5. Know how to calculate overhead costs. 6. Know how to calculate the cost of supporting raw material. 7. Know how to calculate the cost of goods manufactured. The sample is part of the number and characteristics of the population. To get information about company marketing, the author took a sample of one of the business leaders as a key informant at Martabak Manis Afam Pinang 21 in Sambas, namely the business owner who has an important role in marketing sales target and sales strategies. And there were 50 respondents who were consumers of Martabak Manis Afam Pinang 20. It was found that 50 people were representative and not to be able to answer the problem in this research. The sample determination was based on scores of opinion in the book research methods for business, with status that the appropriate sample size in this research is between 30 and 500. There is a table that emerged for information. Number, information, population of people, sample of people, Francis. Number 1, leader, informant leader, population of people 1, segment of people 1, fraction on 100%. Number 2, information consumer who bought Martabak Manis Afam Pinang 21. Sample of people 50. 2.3 data red rifle techniques. Data differ. Grouping data differs into two types of data which are then used in this research according to Sugiono. Is the journal Pharmono. 1. Qualitative data is data in the form of words or sentences. Qualitative data is used to evaluate several independent variables that influence the dependent variable to clarify the data obtained qualitatively. Qualitative data in this research was taken from the respondent identity, gender, height, level of education, age, occupation, and the respondent responses are unsure to distributing questionnaires. To quantitative data is data in the form of number, or quantitative data that is scored. So quantitative data is data that has a tendency to be analyzed using statistical method of techniques. This data can be in the form of number or scores, and is usually obtained using data collection tool with the answers are in the form of a range of correct or weak question. The analytical tool assess in quantitative research validity, relativity, sample and multiple correlation, sample and multiple linear regression determination, adjusted error quiz, t-test, and thus. In this research used quantitative data taken from respondent responses or answers to distributing questionnaires. Data structure. Data are thought which are the result of observation obtained from the field in the form of number, letter, graph, image, and other which can be replicated to obtain clarity in result. Empirical efforts collected by researchers of research purposes were started by Sandu Sioto and Mr. Ali Soding. Data can be in the form of a attestation, number of author, symbols that can be used for research material. What is meant by data source is where the data can be obtained from. The data source used in this research is, according to Sioto and Sodic, in the journal Pharmono, primary data. Primary data is data obtained and collected directly in the field by a researcher from the data source. Primary data is original data or new data. To obtain primary data, researchers must collect it directly in the field. In this research, primary data was obtained directly from the respondent by giving questionnaires to consumers from Martabak Manis, Afam Binang 21, totaling 50 respondents. Secondary data. Secondary data is part of historical data about variable that has been previously collected by other parties. Secondary data can be obtained from the internet, public libraries, magazines, archives, or document from companies and other relevant parties. Secondary data is the second data source after the primary data source. In this research has used secondary data source, namely data obtained indirectly through journal, books, and financial reports or martabak manis in order to obtain the information needed related to this research so as not to deviate too far from the decision to documentation. It is data collection technique that is carried out by giving a set of questions or written statement to respondents to be answered by Sugiono opinion in the journal Alawiyah 2019. The respondent in this study were 50 consumer in Martabak Manis, Apam Pinang 21. This questionnaire is used to collect data about the influence of tasty, promotion, price, and location on purchasing discussion for Martabak Manis Apam Pinang 21. This research was carried out on a scope that was not too broad, so that the questionnaire could be delivered directly within a short time, so there is no need to send the questionnaire to respondents by post. The questionnaire used in this research is a closed model because the answers are provided so that respondents only need to choose the answer that suits their opinion. Measurement in this research was a Likert scale. The Likert scale is used to measure a person's attitude, opinions, and perception in a research opinion Sakwono 2006 in the journal Alawiyah 2019. 2.5 Data analysis method. This research used quantitative, descriptive analysis techniques using the full costing method for determining the cost of production, which takes into account all elements of production costs, both fixed costs and variable costs, into the cost of production. Operational definition. 1. Cost of goods sold. The cost of production is the amount of service rendered by a business to post an item directly or indirectly. 2 methods of determining cost of goods production. The method for determining the cost of product is calculated all element of work cost in cost of production. In calculating the cost element in the cost of production, there are two focus, namely the full costing method and the variable costing method. 3. Determination of product selling price. Determine product selling prices is one type of important management decision making. For management, determining the selling price of products or service is not only a policy in the marketing of financial sector but in its policy efforts related to all aspects of company activities. The selling price of a product, apart from affecting the sales volume or number of buyers of the product or service, will also affect the company revenue. Chapter 3 Result and Execution. 3 point on result. Martabak Manis Apam Pinang 21, which was started in 2021 by Mr. Saipul. Mr. Saipul Sweet Martabak, which is located at Jalan Keramat, no MT82. Over team Mr. Saipul Sweet Martabak has developed in Sambas City. Mr. Saipul Sweet Martabak business is led by himself, namely Mr. Saipul, who directly leads and is responsible for every activity in the business. Mr. Saipul business includes costs to help him achieve the goal he has set. In Martabak Manis Apam Pinang 21, Mr. Saipul worked the cost that can determine the cost production. Table 1. Collection of derived raw material cost for Martabak Manis Apam Pinang 21 December 2023. Table 1 show that the each total cost of the main raw material are wheat, flour and granulated sugar, while the lowest costs are found in salt. Overhead costs. Overhead costs are allocated to products using predetermined rates, namely production volume. Table 2 overhead costs calculation December 2023. Table 2 show that the total electricity costs are 15,000 rupiah, while the sales costs are 10,000 rupiah. So the total overhead costs are 25,000 rupiah. Table 3 calculation of auxiliary raw material costs December 2010.